The marvelous journey of stars, understanding the stellar life cycle. Hello, everyone. Today we're embarking on a cosmic journey to understand the stellar life cycle, the fascinating process that stars, like our Sun, go through during their existence. From their birth in nebulae to their ultimate fate, we'll explore each phase in detail. Whether you're a space enthusiast or just curious about the universe, this video will shed light on the celestial wonders. Stars begin their life in nebulae, vast clouds of gas and dust in space. Over time, gravity pulls the particles in a nebula together, and as they come closer, they start to heat up. This marks the birth of a star, and it's called the protostar phase. During this phase, the future star is not yet hot enough for nuclear fusion, the process that powers stars, to occur in its core. After millions of years, the core of the protostar gets hot and dense enough to start nuclear fusion. This is when a star enters the main sequence phase, the longest period in its life. Here, the star shines by converting hydrogen into helium through nuclear fusion. Our Sun is currently in this stable phase, perfectly balancing the inward pull of gravity with the outward pressure from nuclear fusion. As a star exhausts its hydrogen fuel, it leaves the main sequence. For medium-sized stars, like our Sun, they expand into red giants. For more massive stars, they become red supergiants. In this phase, the star fuses helium or heavier elements, depending on its mass. It's a period of significant change and instability, leading to the next dramatic phase. The fate of a star depends on its mass. 1. Low to medium mass stars like our Sun, after the red giant phase, shed their outer layers, creating beautiful formations known as planetary nebulae. The core that remains is a white dwarf, a hot, dense object that slowly cools over billions of years. 2. Massive stars end their lives in a spectacular explosion called a supernova. This explosion can outshine entire galaxies and often leads to the creation of either a neutron star or, if the star is massive enough, a black hole. The story of a star doesn't end with its death. The materials expelled from supernovae and planetary nebulae enrich the interstellar medium with heavier elements. These elements can eventually become part of new planets or even life forms. Also, the remnants of supernovae can trigger the formation of new stars, continuing the stellar life cycle. In the grand tapestry of the cosmos, the stellar life cycle is a fundamental and continuous process. From the humble beginnings in a nebula to the magnificent finale as a supernova or white dwarf, stars lead dynamic and transformative lives. We hope this journey through the stellar life cycle has enlightened and inspired you. Until next time, keep looking up and wondering about the marvels of the universe.